Welcome to Passport to Learning, your gateway to studying abroad, made simple.
Hello, friends. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty. Hope you are well. So today I would like to discuss with you what is VPD and how you will calculate your VPD, and as well as how you will apply for VPD for German universities application. So I would like to show you. So let's go. And before watching these videos, I would like to tell you, if you are new in this channel, so don't forget to subscribe this channel. And also, if you have any question, then try to write down on the comment box. And yeah, let's go. I would like to tell you actually what is BPD. BPD is BPD. If I say this is one BPD, and this is called BPD for apply in German universities. uh, what is BPD? I ask, this is the German form of BPD. I ask the ChatGPT. BPD stands for primary review documentation. It's mean that actually primary review documentation means that actually Uni-Assist, you will have to upload for these documents through Uni-Assist, and Uni-Assist evaluate your all the documents, and then they give you a PDF or a what it's called, a certificate overall your profile. For example, your your CGPA in German, they will convert in German. Especially, this is also one document for applying some German universities, as well as when you will convert your what it's called, your CGPA in German uh, grade, then it's also say BPD. So I am going to show you how to sorry for interrupt, how to apply for BPD and how to calculate BPD. I already informed you that there is two type of BPD. One is actually primary review documents. It's say also BPD in German, in English. And when you will convert your CGPA to German CGPA, it's also say BPD in German. So especially who are students of bachelors and masters, when they would like to apply for Germany from some other countries, then you must have to actually convert your BPD in German BPD, because in universities portal you will see the requirements in BPD. I mean German universities requirements written in German's grading system. So how to check your BPD in German grading system, or German, how to check your CGPA in German grading system. Actually, for example, I am writing that BPD calculator in Germany. So then enter, search for it. Actually see, actually TUM, Technical University of Munich, they have also one system. This is say that Bayern system. Yeah, Bayern system is good for calculating. So they will give you actually minimum grading at your university. Write down here minimum grade. So for example, my university's minimum grade, I would like to just show you as an example minimum grade at your university. What is the minimum grade in your university? You can see it from your transcript, your bachelor transcript, or your higher secondary school certificate transcript. Then minimum passing grade at your university, it's also 2. Some universities minimum passing grade is 2.5, so you can check it from your transcript. Then your current overall grade at your university. So my current overall, for example, 3.5. Sorry, this is maximum grading. Sorry, I mean actually what is the maximum grade at your university? 4, and minimum is 2, and my grading system is, my CGPA is 3.5. So now I would like to convert it German VPD. See, actually it's say when you convert your this point in German point or German CGPA, then you can see that your CGPA is 1.7. When you see this is called VPD in Germany. VPD in Germany. Okay, this is one VPD, and another VPD is for applying some German universities. You need a documents. This is called VPD, primary review documents. How you will get this document? You will get this document by uh, you will get this document from Uni-Assist. First of all, you have to apply for these documents, and then you will get these documents. After getting these documents, then you will apply directly to the universities. For example, if you would like to apply for THI, Technical Hochschule Ingolstadt, then you will first of all you will have to take a documents or VPD from Uni-Assist. Then you will be able to apply for actually Technical Hochschule Ingolstadt. So how you will apply for VPD through Uni-Assist? So this is very easy, and first of all actually you will log in your Uni-Assist and come the front page or the cover page. Then select semester as well as university, THI. There is no university by this short form. I am writing that in Inglo. Maybe actually for this Technical Hochschule Ingolstadt, maybe for this university's VPD's application is over. TE. By the way, actually you can see a number of universities. For example, Technical Hochschule Riesenberg, or for any see, actually here is Technical Hochschule Ingolstadt. You can select your university, for which universities you would like to apply for VPD. Primary review documents. Then you can also select the federal. When you will select your university, then automatically you can select the federal state, and then for which application you need the VPD, for example for masters, and then select. See, actually I already selected this, and confirm here for selection. And yeah, must remember that actually for which semesters you would like to apply for. First semester or higher semester, usually maximum student apply for first semester. I will also apply for first semester. So this is I select first semester and add the selection. Okay, so it's already added. This course study, show that this course has already been added to your selection. Okay, so it's already added my selection, but what's the problem? My selection. Okay, so just right, but it's not I mean actually I already applied for this VPD and I also got this VPD, so maybe this is why it's not showing. For example, for which university? School Hochschulen Neu-Ulm. This university also need VPD. Bayern masters. I am just showing up. I will not apply for this anymore. So see, actually there are some other subjects. So for which subjects you need this VPD, for example advanced management, select this subject, and yeah, select also read this condition. Okay, so it's already selected here. You will click here. I mean this is the same process how you apply for any universities you will also apply for BPD as like the same process. Then choose the payment option, also give your payment details, your card details. This is easy way to apply through uh, sorry, this is the easy way to payment through credit card or dual currency card, or if your any relative live in Germany, sorry, any European country or USA or any first world country, then you can also apply or payment through them, through their information. So yeah, click here and give your card details, and then actually give the permission from your bank security system, or if you apply from some other countries where you will receive OTP, you will also give, you need to give the OTP and then go further and your application will be completed. uh, I mean, for BPD application, it is as like same the university's application through Uni-Assist. So after receiving your BPD, by this BPD you will apply through the university's website directly from their website and give your all the documents. So if you don't know how to apply directly the universities, you can search it on the YouTube, or you can also check it out from our channel. You would also get the system of the application, and then you will complete your application, and then university will decide will they give or provide you the letter of motivation, or they will reject you, then university will provide. I would like to inform you that before applying this BPD, must remember that you must have to apply at least 4 weeks ago. Okay, at least 4 weeks before application deadline. But UniSS suggests you to apply 4 to 6 weeks ago. It's mean that you have to apply. For example, the university's application deadline is 15th January, so you must have to apply for Uni-Assist for BPD in December 1st. So it's risky if you apply for December 1st if the deadline is January 15th. It's mean that you must have to take at least 2 months in your hand before the application deadline for apply for BPD. So at least 1 or 1.5 months ago you will apply for BPD, and after receiving BPD you will apply directly to the university. So yeah, thank you so much. This is the all about the BPD, and this is the very easy process. And don't confused about BPD in German convert when you convert your CGP to German CGP, it's also say BPD. And BPD also mean that primary review documents which need for applying some universities, for example THI, Technical Hochschule Ingolstadt, uh, University of New Ulm, and some other universities, Riesenberg or like that. And I also inform you that, for example, you can apply Riesenberg University and some other universities by THI BPD. I mean, if you have Technical Hochschule Ingolstadt BPD, then you can also apply some other universities directly by using the THI BPDs. But before that, try to check it out from the website, or from you can also mail the university's course coordinator to know more about this, because some university don't accept other universities BPD, but some university also accept other universities BPD. So yeah, for confirmation you can check it up from the university's website, or you can directly communicate with university's subject coordinator through email. So thank you so much for watching these videos. Don't forget to subscribe this channel and stay with us. See you in Germany. Thank you.